What's up, y'all? It's your girl QueensteezTV, and I am back serving the girls another look. So as you can see, I have this beautiful green glitter holiday look that is serving all types of Christmas cheer. So if you want to know how I got this look, definitely make sure that you stay tuned so you can slay everybody at your family gathering as well as at your work holiday parties. Y'all know how we do over here, all my steez, queens, and kings. So I really hope that everyone is enjoying their holiday season. I meant their holiday season, because y'all know how I give it up, okay? But anyway, y'all, make sure that you give the channel a thumbs up. This is my first time doing Vlogmas. I'm trying to get 10,000 followers before the end of the year. So I'm doing my Vlogmas a little bit different. It's not going to be all vlogs. But yeah, make sure y'all show me some love. Like, share, subscribe. Leave me a comment. Y'all know if y'all do these looks, tag me in it on Instagram so I can see the holla slay. And I'll see you guys in the next video tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, so the first thing I want to do is moisturize my face with my Aveeno Positivity Radiant Moisturizer. I think I got this from Ulta or Walgreens. They both sell it. Next, I want to go in with my eyebrows. And y'all, this has been like my favorite pencil, which is of course my NYX thin pencil. And I'm just going to start to carve out the shape that I want my eyebrows to be. And once I get closer to the ends, I start brushing in like a upward motion so that I can kind of get that gradient look. Y'all know how I like my eyebrows to look. So after I get both of those done, y'all, I found these little like 3M strips. I don't know, at work we call them tegaderms, but it's like these little strips so that you don't get makeup on your hands. So I definitely wanted to try those out so that I can save up some cleanup time in the end instead of trying to scrub makeup off. So you see I have my flat brush, and now I'm going in to conceal my under eyes. And then I'm going to do the same for the other side. Y'all know I always bring it down over the lids just to make sure I have nice even coverage before I start applying my eyeshadows. So once I've sealed the deal with the eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Afrique palette from Juvia's Place, of course. I'm showing you guys kind of sort of the color scheme that I'm going to be using. So the first color that I'm going to take is Cameroon out of the Afrique palette. And I'm going to start patting that in my crease. This is not really a color that I'm going to use, but more so I'm using it to build on my other eyeshadows. The look that I had in mind, it came out totally different, but this look actually came out like super pretty, so I really was not mad at it. So after I have that all blended in, the next color that I'm going to go in with is Dakar. Now this color is actually like a burnt orange. However, it came out looking red after I put this on. So that's what I'm saying. So like the look was supposed to be like a gradient look, but it just came out looking like I just slapped red on my on my eyes. But I didn't, y'all. I promise. It's orange and brown, but it came out looking red. I mean, it came out looking cute still, but I just wanted to tell y'all what I was going for. So of course after that, I'm gonna go back in the camera room because I saw that it was looking like too bright. It wasn't what I wanted. So like I told y'all with y'all makeup, you know, just keep blending. So I'm gonna put my little P. Louise on the back of my little plastic strip so that I don't have it all over my hands. And then I'm going to take a little flat brush that I made and I'm going to start cutting my crease with it. So I'm not doing like the little half cut crease that I usually do. This is just going to be a full eye cut crease, hence why I put the P. Louise on 3 different places on my eyes so that I can get that nice even cut. So ever since I started doing this method, it's been like so much quicker for me to start doing my cut creases, because like look, bam, the crease is already cut, honey. It's only been a few seconds. So after that, I'm just taking a clean brush and I'm just patting that in so that it's not moving around and I have a nice clean cut surface. After that, the main color is Niger. So that is a beautiful, beautiful green. Look how bright it is. I mean, oh my goodness. When I started putting this on in my head, I was like, it is starting to look a lot like Christmas around here. So I was like, okay, I didn't know what to do from here, but I just kept going. And that's what I say with your makeup. Just keep going. So of course it's holiday season, so we're gonna glitter it up. I think this glitter is called Evergreen. Don't ask me where I got it from. Might have been a place called Super Glitters or something like that, but it was a long time ago. So I'm just taking another brush, and this time I'm just gonna use this to apply a very thin layer of this NYX glitter glue over my eyes. And I'm actually kind of letting the glue dry a little bit before I start placing it over, because the glitter can be super messy. So in addition to the thin layer of glue, I wanted a thin layer of glitter, because this glitter can start going everywhere, and a lot of times it is a pain to take it off, and I hate having glitter in my eyeballs. Oh, please don't. So I'm just cleaning it up anywhere any excess glitter flakes fell. And then I am going to take this off. I mean, like, look at the easy cleanup. Boom, you're done. So y'all know I'm going to take my matte eyeliner, which somehow dried out, but I just bought it, and those lashes. So I'm going to put a very thin layer of eyeliner on, and as y'all can see, I was like, okay, like, sis, I just bought you, so why are you dry? Anyway, y'all, so I seen this new method, y'all, on TikTok. Yes, I got a TikTok if y'all want to follow me on there. No, I don't be posting nothing because I don't know how to work TikTok. So basically, this is how it goes. The girl said moisturize your face, which I already did. They said take some blurring or like translucent powder, which y'all see I'm getting all over the place, looking like patty cake baker's man. So they said put it all over your face before you put your makeup on. Then they said apply your primer on. No, she said spray setting spray. Let it dry. Then put your primer on your face. Then put your makeup on, and it's supposed to give you this, flawless face. So y'all will see. So as you can see, I'm just putting my Morphe primer all over my face, and then I'm gonna go in with my foundation, which I use the color 340, which is Kampala from Juvia's Place. It's like one of my favorite foundations. So I'm just taking a flat brush and putting it all over my face, and then I'll go back in to blend it down. So after I just had my foundation evenly applied all over my face, I'm going to go in with my concealer. So I'm using this color 15 because, child, if the QueensteezTV told y'all what color concealer I use, I can't seem to find it on Juvia's Place, Ulta, nowhere. It's all sold out. So it's holiday season, so if y'all can snag my color 12, send it to your girl P.O. box. Okay. So I'm just applying that everywhere that I want to highlight. I'm also just taking my Juvia's Place foundation stick, and this is in the color Nambia, and I'm doing a little slight, little slight work, down to the holiday party. Y'all don't want to give them too much, but you want to give them just enough. So being that this concealer is super light, I took the same flat brush that I put my foundation on with to make it like a little bit darker because it was just like too bright for me. And then I'm gonna start blending all of this highlighting and stuff out. Y'all, this little sponge I got from Amazon is so hard. So I definitely, I'm gonna use them because I bought them, but the Real Techniques blenders, the orange ones, are my go-to. After that's all blended out, y'all know I'm gonna go in with my Sacha Buttercup powder. And as y'all can see, yo, these beauty blenders was horrible. I was wasting so much product. I mean, like, literally, I had powder everywhere. And I did not like that because QueensteezTV do not like wasting money, okay? So I'm just highlighting all of those places on my face. Then I'm gonna go and bake off camera and clean up. And I'm coming back to dust off all of that excess powder because you don't want to look like a cake face. So make sure that you just brush everything off. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to put on my blush. Y'all know I love this Saharan palette because it has 6 different blushes in there for however you're feeling that day. So I just do me a little blush blend. Sometimes I swipe it over all the colors and whatever we come up with. Being that my eyes appeared to be red and green, I did for like a pinky kind of blush. And also I'm using the pink highlighter color as well to bring out those eyes. So I wanted to do a really simple like lip combo. So this was like a brown color. This is Teddy from NYX Lip Lingerie, but it just wasn't doing it. Like, it just made my face look very just plain and drab looking. So I was like, nah, I'm gonna have to put another color on this to kind of spruce it up. I tried to put on a pink lip gloss and that still wasn't doing it for me. So I was like, okay, I know my girl Stila never fails me, and this is their matte lipstick, and this moves around a lot. And this, guys, is your final look. Yo, it's holiday season, and y'all already know the looks are going to be coming in. So as you can see, this is giving what was supposed to be gave, okay? So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Y'all, I'm trying to get to 10,000 followers before the end of the year. Make sure you like so it can go into the algorithm. Make sure you share with your friends so they can subscribe to my channel, as well as they can like, comment, y'all know, do all the things for me, y'all. So I hope you guys are enjoying your holiday, and yeah, bye.